Most reward apps promise free gift cards. But here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of them waste your time with tiny payouts, endless ads, and rewards you can barely cash out. In this video, I'll show you the best reward apps in 2026 that people are actually using to earn real gift cards. We'll cover which apps pay fastest, which ones are easiest for beginners, and how to maximize your earnings without spending all day on your phone. Let's start with one of the biggest names right now. Swagbucks. This app has been around for years and still remains one of the most reliable options. You can earn points through surveys, shopping, watching videos, and mobile games. Alex from New York used it casually during his commute, and earned enough for monthly Amazon gift cards. The key is stacking multiple activities instead of relying on only one. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you prefer gaming, Mistplay is still one of the best options for Android users. You download sponsored games, play them, and earn units that convert into gift cards. The trick is choosing boosted games with higher earning rates. But here's the problem. Most users quit too early because the first reward seems small. These apps reward consistency more than speed. Next is FreeCash. This app became extremely popular because payouts are fast and offer walls can pay surprisingly well. Some users complete app testing offers worth $20 or even $50. Jake from Chicago earned enough for a gaming headset by focusing only on high-paying tasks instead of random surveys. Another strong option is Inbox Dollars. What makes it different is that earnings are shown in real dollar amounts instead of confusing point systems. That makes tracking progress much easier for beginners. Now let's talk about Fetch Rewards because this app works differently. Instead of surveys or games, you scan grocery receipts. That's it. John simply uploaded receipts after shopping trips and slowly built enough points for Starbucks and Amazon gift cards without changing his routine. This is where most people fail. They ignore referral bonuses and streak systems. Apps like Rewarded Play and Cash Giraffe often give extra rewards for daily logins and inviting friends. Those bonuses can sometimes double your earnings over time. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest strategy to maximize all these apps together. The smartest method is using different apps for different tasks. Use gaming apps during free time, receipt apps after shopping, and survey apps while watching TV. That combination works far better than grinding one app non-stop. Now here's the reality check. These apps will not replace a full-time income, but they can absolutely cover subscriptions, online shopping, mobile recharges, or extra spending money if used consistently. So, here's the bottom line. The best reward apps in 2026 are the ones with low cash out limits, reliable payouts, and multiple earning methods. Focus on trusted apps, avoid scams promising unrealistic money, and stay consistent. If you've tried any of these apps, comment below which one paid you the fastest. And if this video helped you find better reward apps, hit like, subscribe,